Hello guys, today we have MSI motherboard. Customer told me he buy a new battery from online store, and when he plugged the battery, after that laptop is not turning on with the adapter but working with battery. So we will check what is the problem now, why it is not working with the adapter. So let's check the motherboard supply section. So guys, now we will check the shortage, if anything is short or what is the faulty component. Let's see how to trace it. This is our charger socket, and this is the path for its supply. Main supply is coming in. Supply is coming here. This coil to the this jack. This is the battery jack. All the MOSFETs are clear. Let's plug in the charger and set meter at voltage. Let's see voltage are coming inside or not. So here's the 19 voltage. Okay. All the supplies are good, guys. The supply is good. Only main supply is good, that is 19 voltage, but there is no standby supply. 3 volt, 5 volt are missing. So here we get some points. We will see if AC OK signal is there or not. Here is the voltage. This is AC detection, okay. Here is AC OK. No. Here is AC OK is missing. This is the origin voltage. Here is voltage drop here. Here should be 5 to 6 voltage, in between 5 to 6. But here is the 0.58 volt. So here is the problem. This supply is missing here. So here is the fault. Let me check here. Is this point is short or no? Yes guys, here this is short, as you can see here. This point should not give the beep, but here is the beep, so it is the short. Let's remove this IC and let's see. Now check again the shortage. So you can see the shortage has gone. It means our charging IC is short. Now I have a donor motherboard which have the same IC. We will see its all connections are okay. So we will replace this IC now. Now we will see the status. You can see after replacement of charging IC, the shortage is gone. Now there is no shortage here. Before here was beep. Impedance is also very good. Okay guys, now we will plug in the adapter and let's see our motherboard is switching on or not switching on. Now let's check the voltage. You can see now 6 volt. Now it is okay. Here is 6 volt and here should be AC okay. Sorry, this is AC detect. Here is AC okay. Now AC okay supply is working. Now this should switch on. We will try to switch on manually. Wow, you can see the fan is working. It means motherboard is in on condition now. As I check the supply for RAM, you can see RAM supply is 1.2. okay, the motherboard is functional now. Now let's check with the battery. I plugged adapter. Now check charging. Yes guys, you can see the value is increasing, so it means battery is charging. You see 1151, 1152, now 53, 53, 53. It's increasing. So we will assemble it, and after assembling I will show you. Now we will check turning on if it is working. Motherboard is turned on with battery. Now you can see the adapter is plugged in. So the problem is fixed. Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.